Hello, my name is Kareem and this is my YouTube channel. So, as you see, I am the new one in the YouTube and it's my first video in the YouTube. It's gonna be about how to make a YouTube channel in the YouTube. It's so easy, it's not gonna take a lot of your time. So, if you want a YouTube channel in the YouTube, so watch this video until the end and don't forget like and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. So let's go.
Okay, at the first you need just your cell phone to sign in your YouTube channel, in your own YouTube channel. So go on that YouTube app. If you don't have a YouTube app yet, you can download from App Store or Google Play. Okay, here you will see a profile picture in top right corner. Click on that profile picture, then click on that sign in. After that, here you will see add account. Click on that. YouTube wants to continue to use google.com to sign in. Okay, click on that continue. Then it's gonna take you in another page. To continue to YouTube, you will also sign in to Google services in your apps and Safari. Here you have to write your email or phone. If you don't have Gmail yet, you can create your own Gmail by clicking that create account. Okay, here you have two options to sign in. The first one is for myself and the second to manage my business. I'm gonna click that for myself. Okay, here you have to write your first name. For example, I'm gonna write check surname check. Okay, next, click on that next, and then basic information, enter your birthday and gender. Okay, I'm gonna write 2004 month April 5, gender male. Okay, after this you finish this one, click on that next, create a Gmail address for signing in to your Google account. Okay, for example, I'm gonna write check it's gonna enough for one time. Six. Click on that next. After that, this username is taken. Okay, I'm gonna take another one, no problem. 5 4 what the, okay, 6 7 8 9 1. Click on that next, create a strong password. Okay, I'm gonna write 07704733. Okay, 2556. Okay, it's ready, and then click on that next. Okay, here you have to write your cell phone number. It's so important to have a cell phone number in YouTube, in your Gmail. Confirm that you are not a robot. Okay, 0723 35 6. Okay, click on that next after you finished, and then it's gonna send you a code to verify your phone number. Okay, you can find that verify code from your messages in your mobile. Okay, after that, after you write your code, the verify code, click on that next, and then add phone number to account next. Okay, review your account info. You can use this info when you need to sign in. Okay, next. and after there is a lot of sentences. I agree. Okay, your channel is not ready yet, but you go after this, go on that profile picture and C is the first letter of the name, C. Okay, your channel, click on that your channel, and then, sorry guys, you know that the internet is too slow in Afghanistan. Create a channel. Here you can see that, create a channel, click on that, and here we go, your channel is ready. Okay guys, I'm so sorry about the internet, you know that is too slow in Afghanistan. So if you want to choose your own profile picture, click on that profile picture. You can choose your banner and profile picture by clicking that your channel and click that on the pin mark, and then you can choose your own profile picture or a banner. So as you see, it was so easy. Oh my god, I forgot one more thing. If you want to post your videos, click on that positive mark and down, and then you'll see create a short, upload a video. You can post your videos by clicking that positive mark and down here. So it was all.
So this was the way and rules of how to make a YouTube channel in the YouTube. So if you like my videos, please make me happy by clicking that like button and subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna upload another video this week. Make sure to watch that video, and love you all. Thank you so much. See you soon. Goodbye.